everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Is your gut sending you warning signs? Discover the truth about leaky gut with these revealing signs. Leaky gut, also known as intestinal permeability, is the condition that occurs when the lining of the gut becomes damaged, allowing harmful substances to leak into the bloodstream. This can lead to a range of health problems. The signs of leaky gut can vary widely from person to person, so it's important to recognize the signs of leaky gut early on, as the condition can worsen over time if left untreated. By understanding the signs of a leaky gut and taking steps to addressing the underlying causes, it's possible to restore gut health and improve overall well-being. In this video, we will go through the 16 major symptoms of a leaky gut. Number 1. Digestive issues. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, it may indicate a condition known as leaky gut. Constipation is characterized by infrequent bowel movements, difficulty passing stools, and hard, dry stools, while diarrhea is characterized by loose, watery stools and can be accompanied by abdominal cramping and urgency. If you experience any of these symptoms frequently, it's essential to seek advice from your healthcare provider to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Number 2. Nutrient deficiencies. When your gut is not functioning properly, it can hinder your body's ability to absorb nutrients, leading to deficiencies. This can result in symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, dizziness, brittle nails, hair loss, anemia, and poor wound healing. However, these symptoms can be indicative of a variety of underlying conditions, so it's essential to consult your healthcare provider to determine the root cause and appropriate treatment. Number 3. Gastrointestinal issues. Frequent bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea may be a sign of leaky gut. Bloating is a sensation of fullness or tightness in the stomach caused by excessive gas. Gas can cause discomfort and pain, often accompanied by bloating. Diarrhea is characterized by loose, watery stools, often accompanied by abdominal cramping and urgency. If you experience any of these symptoms frequently, it's essential to speak with your healthcare provider. Number 4. Nutrient deficiencies. When your gut isn't functioning correctly, it may be difficult for your body to absorb nutrients, leading to deficiencies. These deficiencies may result in poor wound healing. Since these symptoms may indicate a variety of underlying conditions, it is essential to consult your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 5. Skin problems. A leaky gut may cause skin problems such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Acne is a common skin condition characterized by pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads on the face, chest, and back. Eczema is a chronic skin condition characterized by dry, itchy skin that may appear red, scaly, and inflamed. Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition characterized by red, scaly patches on the skin. While these skin conditions may be frustrating and uncomfortable, various treatments can manage symptoms. Number 6. Allergies and sensitivities. An increase in allergies or food sensitivities may indicate a leaky gut. Allergies may cause sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, swollen lips, tongue or throat, hives, and even anaphylaxis in severe cases. It's important to consult your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment if you experience these symptoms frequently. Number 7. Autoimmune diseases. A leaky gut has been linked to autoimmune diseases such as lupus, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells in the body, causing symptoms such as joint pain, fatigue, and inflammation. If you have a family history of autoimmune disease or experience symptoms consistent with an autoimmune condition, consult your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate testing and treatment. Number 8. Brain fog. A healthy gut can also affect your brain, leading to poor concentration and memory. Brain fog is a common symptom in many health conditions and may manifest as difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, and difficulty with word recall. If you experience brain fog along with other leaky gut symptoms, consult your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 9. Chronic fatigue. If you consistently feel tired and sluggish, it may be due to leaky gut. Chronic fatigue is a persistent feeling of exhaustion that may interfere with daily activities. Since various underlying conditions may cause it, consult your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 10. Joint pain. A leaky gut has been linked to a joint pain and arthritis. Joint pain can manifest in stiffness, swelling, and tenderness in the joints and can be accompanied by a reduced range of motion. Arthritis is a chronic condition characterized by inflammation of the joints, which can cause pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. If you're experiencing joint pain along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 11. Headaches. A leaky gut can also cause headaches, which can be debilitating and interfere with daily activities. Headaches can manifest in a variety of ways, such as tension headaches, migraines, and cluster headaches. Tension headaches are the most common type of headache and are characterized by a feeling of tightness or pressure in the head. Migraines are a type of headache characterized by severe throbbing pain, sensitivity to light and sound, and nausea. Cluster headaches are a rare but extremely painful type of headache that occurs in cycles. Number 12. Mood disorders. A leaky gut can be linked to mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Anxiety is a feeling of worry or unease that can be mild or severe and can interfere with daily activities. Depression is a mood disorder characterized by feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest in activities. If you're experiencing mood changes along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 13. Autoimmune skin diseases. A leaky gut has been linked to autoimmune skin diseases such as psoriasis and eczema. These conditions are characterized by inflammation and irritation of the skin, which can cause redness, itching, and scaly patches. If you're experiencing symptoms of an autoimmune skin disease, along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 14. Respiratory issues. A leaky gut can cause respiratory issues such as asthma and allergies. Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition characterized by inflammation and narrowing of airways, leading to difficulty breathing. Allergies can manifest in several ways, such as sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, and hives. If you're experiencing respiratory issues along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 15. Skin sensitivity. A leaky gut can cause increased sensitivity to certain substances such as chemicals and fragrances, leading to skin irritation and rashes. This is due to an overactive immune system response, which can cause inflammation and irritation in the skin. If you're experiencing increased sensitivity to substances along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Number 16. Hormonal imbalances. A leaky gut can also affect hormone levels in the body, leading to imbalances and symptoms such as irregular periods, infertility, and mood changes. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate a wide range of bodily functions, including reproductive and emotional health. If you're experiencing hormonal imbalances along with other symptoms of leaky gut, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. If you suspect that you may be experiencing symptoms of leaky gut, It's important to speak with your healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan. Don't wait until the symptoms worsen. Take action today and prioritize your gut health. Consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to learn more about how you can improve your gut health and overall well-being. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.